When I was diagnosed with vegetative depression in college, I really was actually so unwell that I didn't even know anything was wrong, and thankfully, my college roommates took it upon themselves to call the counseling center, and then my family, and then I was removed from school, and I can't even say it was against my will, but it was really I didn't really have much of a will at that point. But this was the culmination of years of malaise and general depression, and really just a deep sense of sadness and numbness that I had been experiencing for quite some time. And I was put into twice a day therapy sessions with a man in Concord, Massachusetts, who really resembled Robin Williams from Good Will Hunting, which became a favorite movie. And um, and at that point, I was introduced. That was the beginning of a new life for me. I was introduced to a path of personal discovery, healing, health, thriving, of research, of development, of really just nonstop studying, um, two master's degrees, inside and outside the box training, holistic medicine, yoga, meditation, Ayurveda, etc. All sorts of things, anything that I could learn, anything that I could take in, anything that I could practice on myself in the laboratory of my own life to be able to heal and thrive. And really, this was out of necessity because I wanted a better life. I wanted to not just be free from suffering, but really to have the presence of all the beautiful things that I do have in my life in terms of health and happiness and a lovely family and a meaningful, satisfying career and service to others and contribution to my community and a real sense of peace and gratitude and joy. And so uh, over those years, I have also worked with clients, thousands of hours of clients, working with people who are going through this same process. And through that, I have created the Depression Slayer course. And the Depression Slayer is kind of a cheeky, funny title, but it's also really speaks to something that is required to come from within, is just an attitude of I'm going to slay this beast. And with that attitude, though, it's very helpful to have the right maps and the right tools. And this course is going to provide you with those maps and tools from a range of truly holistic topics. And it's tried and true. It is something that I've invested a lot of time and energy into. I've experimented with, I've refined and optimized over the years, and I want to share it with you now.